Hey everyone! Welcome back to TrueHost Academy. If you're looking to take your blogging to the next level, then you're in the right place. Today we're discussing something super exciting, using ChatGPT for blogging. AI is changing the game, and ChatGPT is leading the way. So how exactly can you use this tool to enhance your blogging? Let's break it down. Step 1. Generating blog ideas. We've all been there. Stuck trying to come up with fresh blog ideas. It can be tough. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You can ask it questions like, what are the trending topics in my niche? And watch it generate tons of relevant ideas. Need something more specific? Ask for blog post ideas on a particular subject. The AI taps into recent trends, helping you find inspiration that your audience will love. Whether you want to write about the latest industry trends or cover a niche topic, ChatGPT can help spark creativity and ensure you're always coming up with engaging content. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Outlining blog posts. This is a crucial step that keeps your content organized and clear. ChatGPT can help here too. Simply ask it to create an outline for a blog post on the topic, and you'll get a detailed structure with headings, subheadings, and key points. Not only does this save you time, but it also ensures your content flows smoothly, making your writing process much easier. And speaking of writing, let's talk about the next step. Step 3. Writing engaging content. Here's where ChatGPT really shines. You can prompt it with something like, write a 500-word blog post on the topic, and it will generate content that matches your desired tone, whether it's professional, conversational, or anything in between. Using ChatGPT helps you craft content that connects with your readers while saving you loads of time. You can even ask it to rewrite sections to better fit your voice. And once your draft is done, don't forget about editing. Step 4. Editing and proofreading. ChatGPT can help here as well. By asking it to edit this paragraph for clarity, it will refine your text, correcting grammar mistakes and improving readability. Imagine having an assistant to double-check your work. Pretty amazing, right? And once your post is polished, it's time to optimize it for SEO. Step 5. SEO optimization. SEO is crucial if you want your blog to be found by more readers. ChatGPT can help you identify relevant keywords, craft meta descriptions, and even suggest SEO-friendly titles. Just ask, suggest SEO keywords for a blog post about the topic, and you're good to go. With the right SEO strategies in place, your blog will be more visible and reach a wider audience, and once it's out there, you'll want to promote it effectively. Step 6. Promoting blog content. ChatGPT can help here too. Just ask it to create a social media post to promote my latest blog, and it will generate engaging text that encourages clicks. This way, you're not only saving time, but also ensuring that your promotional efforts are just as effective as your content creation. Step 7. Analyzing performance. Finally, to continuously improve your content, analyzing your blog's performance is critical. ChatGPT can guide you on how to interpret data from tools like Google Analytics. Ask it for tips on improving engagement based on your past posts. By reviewing what's working and what's not, you'll make smarter decisions for future content, and that's how you can make ChatGPT your secret weapon in the blogging game. Thanks for tuning in to TrueHost Academy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on blogging and digital marketing. Let's harness the power of AI together and create amazing content. See you in the next video.